I think we can all agree a red lip really pulls an entire look together, and honestly, it just makes you feel sexy. This has been a trend since ancient times, and we've seen it continue on with style icons like Marilyn Monroe, Taylor Swift, and even Gwen Stefani. There are so many different shades of red out there, but when I find a shade of red that complements my skin tone, I feel like I have all the confidence in the world. Welcome to IPSY Beauty 101, where we're talking all about red lipstick and how to pick the perfect shade of red that complements your skin tone. My name is Kim, and I am part of the IPSY staff, but I am also a beauty-obsessed hipster. You can find me trying new products all the time around the office and even running around with a swatched arm. I usually wear nude lipsticks because, let's be real, red can be a little bit intimidating. There's just so many different shades out there, and it's kind of hard to find the right one for you. But have no fear. Today, I'm going to give you a couple tips on how to find the perfect shade of red to complement your skin tone. To get started, let's talk about how to prep your lips so your lipstick can last all day. First, exfoliate your lips with a sugar scrub. Rub it all over your lips and then wipe it away with a damp towel. We've all heard of eye primer, but today, as an extra step, I'm using the Makeup Forever Eye and Lip Primer to keep my lipstick on all day. Last step, put on your lipstick. Now, let's get started for those of you with fair skin tones. You most likely have pink or blue undertones, so you're going to want to choose a hue that enhances the cool undertones in your skin. So try a blue-based red. We've chosen the MORPHE lipstick in the shade RSVP. It is a beautiful blue-based red. The shade is really going to bring out the white in your teeth and make you look brighter rather than bringing out the pinks in your skin. For light skin tones, you most likely have yellow undertones. So for complexions with yellow undertones, you're going to want to go with an orange-based red. We're using the Makeup Forever Artist Rouge lipstick in the shade C403. To top it off, we've added the M.A.C lip gloss in the shade Ruby Woo over the top to make her palette look even more full. Doesn't Lucy look fierce? Now for those of you with medium skin tones. If you're neutral, most reds will look incredible on you. You can try orange-based reds in the summer when you're more tan, or blue-based reds in the winter. Alyssa today is wearing the M.A.C lip liner in the shade Brick and the M.A.C Russian Red lipstick. To pick a lip liner, choose a liner that matches your lipstick or is 1 or 2 shades darker. Just make sure they're still in the same color family. Doesn't this true red look amazing on Alyssa? Now, let's talk about a red lip for more golden skin tones. Your skin probably has a warm golden undertone, like Arielle's. I recommend going for a true red with warm undertones. This MORPHE lipstick in the shade BTW looks great on her glowy golden skin. And don't worry, even professional makeup artists go outside the lines a little bit, and if you want a crisp lip line, you can go in with concealer and a small lip brush to clean it up. For deep skin tones, you can never go wrong with an orange-based red or a Merlot-colored red, depending on how bright you want to go. These will both bring out the warmth of your skin. Give the NYX Turnt Up lipstick in the shade Feline a try, and I know you won't be disappointed. It's a very vampy dark Merlot red. It has a velvety, non-glossy matte finish with great color payoff. Now I'm going to show you how to create an ombre lip like this if you want to have some fun with your lipsticks. Start with a lip liner that's slightly darker than your lipstick, lining your lips and shading in the corners. This is the M.A.C lip liner in the shade Burgundy. The next step is to choose your 2 colors. Pick one lighter color and one darker color and make sure that they're similar in hue. This is the NYX Velvet Matte Lipstick in the shade Volcano and the M.A.C lipstick in the shade Brave Red. Using the darker shade of lipstick, apply it to the corners of your lips and around the outer edge. Then take the lighter shade of lipstick and apply it around the center of your lips, avoiding the outer edge of your lips. Then use a lip brush to blend the area where the two lipstick shades meet to create that ombre look. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and comment down below. I'm Kim, and thank you for watching IPSY Beauty 101. See you next time!